Davidan, ito po ang kanyang storytelling.
In a land where dreams and reality tangle, tonight we gather to witness a magical transformation. Our story begins with a girl who will celebrate her last day as a minor. Today, she steps into the world of adulthood. Before we meet our enchanting girl, let us share a few delightful highlights about her. The girl is named Aliana Jem Joseph H. Fuentes. Sometimes, she affectionately known by many names. Yana, Ellie, Ganda, Jem, Yamers, Yanabels, and Peppa. She was born on July 25, 2006. As well today, we celebrate her journey to this special moment. Eliana is blessed with a loving brother and a circle of friends who cherish her deeply. Since childhood, she has dreamed of soaring the sky as a flight attendant and owning her own restaurant. With a heart full of determination, she has promised herself to achieve these dreams once she feels truly ready. Her favorite color are brown and purple, and her love for the movie Rapunzel inspired the magical theme of the night's celebration. She dreamed of her debut as an enchanting evening where she would feel like a princess walking in a setting as garden with full of butterflies. Aliana delights in the attention of her loved ones, adores children, and finds joy in sharing advice and laughter with those who appreciate her warmth and humor. She enjoys watching movies, reading poets, and she loves butterflies. A woman of simplicity, Aliana wishes for lasting, genuine connections. She is approachable, sociable, and detests awkward silences. Known for her kindness, intelligence, and beauty, she seeks true love and heartfelt care. Brave and resilient, she faces life's challenges with courage and hopes for a world of peace, healing, and harmony, where everyone can be their authentic selves.
Alright, tonight, as we welcome and to witness the transformation of a young girl to a beautiful lady. And now, she's ready to conquer the world, Miss Eliana Jem Joseph